Elon Musk wants you to buy a lot of Dogecoin right now. Saturday night proved that Dogecoin's popularity on the internet is only going to rise. While it did fall to its new support levels after Elon Musk's surprising remarks on the show, something incredible followed. Stay tuned to find what it is. Hello guys, and welcome to another video of Crypto Fire. With this video, we're giving away 1 Ethereum to 1 random subscriber. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment about your favorite cryptocurrency below. If you stick till the end, I'll also tell you how you can increase your odds of winning this giveaway. Now, let's talk about why Elon Musk wants you to buy a lot of Dogecoin right now. We all know that Elon Musk seemingly withdrew his support from Doge when he was asked about it on SNL. Investors and consumers everywhere were excited to know the impact his appearance on SNL would have on Dogecoin. He began by calling it the future of currency, but later went ahead and called it a hustle. As a consequence, the price of Doge began to fall. It reached 44 cents. A lot of it has to do with how people saw this as the end of Doge and chose to cash out instead of holding it. This early sign of the end of the meme coin made even more people cash out so they could save themselves from potential losses. But what happened after that was quite surprising. Doge began to rise again to 55 cents. This happened because of all the Doge fans, or the Doge army online, which stood behind it even though Elon Musk chose to back out. While some people were still worried about Doge's future despite the unwavering support from the Doge army, Elon Musk came to the rescue again with another surprising tweet. Less than 12 hours after his appearance on SNL, he tweeted, "SpaceX launching satellite Doge 1 to the moon next year. Mission paid for in Doge. First crypto in space. First meme in space. To the moon." And less than 24 hours after that, he wrote another tweet asking people if they want Tesla to accept Dogecoin. We've been observing a tweet or two about Doge from Tesla's CEO every single week. If you remember what happened to Doge when he first started talking about it, this is the time to rejoice. Elon is hinting you to buy all the Doge you can because he's going to be talking even more about it, resulting in an even greater increase in its prices. Tesla's boss has been tweeting for years, sometimes at the expense of rivals, and his jokes have equally backfired. Sometimes. On Twitter, for example, Musk has long joked that when he dies, he'd like to put a car fart on his gravestone. About his SNL stint, aside from a few jokes on systems and human behavior, his comedy was more focused on his outlook. Yes, some will argue that there was a whole Doge segment, but he didn't really say anything that most viewers didn't know already. Before we go any further, don't forget to leave a like on this video. Tap the subscribe button and turn on post notifications, as this helps you stay up to date on what is going on with Dogecoin and developments in the broader crypto market, as well. Now let's talk about the genius behind Doge's rise for a minute. While there have been other positive catalysts behind Doge, we know that the biggest one has been Elon Musk. He has turned Tesla into one of the most competitive companies worldwide. Not to mention carrying astronauts to the space station through his other company, SpaceX. Not only has he amassed a global following, but the show he appeared on was also live-streamed internationally in over 100 countries. This only means that there were millions of new eyeballs on generally invest in capital markets but are only fans on SNL or Elon Musk. It is highly likely that those people will push Doge to a higher level too. What was noteworthy is the fact that Doge remained above 50 cents for the longest time. The currency is seeing a new support level emerge, which suggests that the increase in the price of Doge will be more gradual, and it will continue to be contingent on the demand and supply dynamics. Secondly, more people are currently watching Doge than any time before. The community comprised of 1.5 million users on Reddit alone. The following behind Doge has been pretty intense so far. Meanwhile, the currency has seen an unprecedented surge in demand, even though one unknown wallet owns 28% of the currency. Dogecoin, which was created as a joke, has been repeatedly used as a joke by Elon Musk. He hinted in a tweet last week that the Doge father might appear on SNL, and as of Friday afternoon, the price of the cryptocurrency had roughly doubled since the tweet. So it is safe to conclude that it's the hype that got Doge to 75 cents and the new support level is 50 cents. It will need to breach this twice to trade at 40 cents or 45 cents. But one thing is highly likely, Dogecoin will recover, and there are several reasons to be optimistic. The first one is the support it's been getting from Elon Musk on Twitter again. But the other one is the fact millions of businesses have been accepting it across the US and Canada and even Europe. Further ahead, we've also noticed that the petition to bring Dogecoin into Amazon is gaining quite a lot of momentum. The current dip in prices is something that is just part of a recent abrupt spike in the amount and is something completely normal. If you dive back into the history, you'll notice that a similar thing also happened with Bitcoin back in 2017 when it could not cross the $20,000 mark, therefore the current fluctuations actually are a part of the market. However, unless you know how to tackle it, you will have to stand back in the number of profits you make. This also allows us to bring forth another major event that occurred not so long ago, which would prove to you the power of this meme coin. Robinhood, a platform that is used by people to trade Dogecoin, recently crashed because of the volume that was traded on the platform was so high. Later on, the app managed to restore its functions around 2 hours later based on the tweet rolled out through the official Robinhood Help Twitter account. This happened a week ago and still continues to affect how people are making transactions in the platform. Robinhood has still been having some issues with the users not being able to withdraw or access their crypto wallets. Now, let's talk about why you should be following Doge's journey regardless of who supports it in the future. Each token of Doge was worth less than 1 cent in late January when both the GameStop and Dogecoin movements hit their stride and began trading. By the end of January, the Doge price shot up to 7.5 cents before sliding back down to 2.5 cents again. The cryptocurrency spent the last couple of months in the 3 to 7 cent range. Dogecoin is also much more affordable than both Litecoin and Bitcoin, which only means that billions of people can join the Doge movement by investing easily. We think that this is the time to take it seriously if you haven't done it yet. This is because it is at number 5 among all the crypto coins out there. It also has billions of dollars of the market cap, $64.97 billion to be exact. Now, in the long run, we can expect Doge's price to drop down a bit again as it'll get more costly, preventing more people to join the movement, but we still think that it's a long time before that happens. Seeing how Doge has made quite a lot of millionaires in only a couple of months, we're a bit certain that the prices will go higher in the near future. But we still have to consider that the manner in which Doge's prices have risen in the past has been quite abrupt. It didn't look sustainable in the long run. The growth was so quick and meteoric that it simply wasn't possible for Doge to keep up with the rising prices in the long term. In cases like this, one should have an investment portfolio that includes all the risk management techniques. One should follow the fundamentals of investing that other pro investors have been mentioning. This will not only keep your money safe, but will also ensure that you haven't got all your money in just one volatile basket. This is why it is advisable to invest only the amount of money you can afford to lose right now. Another important thing to note is that you have to keep your eyes and ears constantly open as Doge's prices rise or fall at a huge rate of about 3% on a lot of days. Now, as promised, I'll tell you how you can increase your odds of winning the giveaway. Simply mention Doge to the moon soon in the comments section below. And that's it. Thanks for watching our video. Once again, if you liked it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon too. Goodbye, take care.